Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are touring the ongoing construction of the asaba-onitsha expressway. For those of you that have been asking me about the update concerning this road, here is the update. I started the filming just at that coca side where they they currently are, where they stopped the concrete uh, type. That is where I started this filming. Then before I continue, let me also brief you about another latest update across the coca bridge, like across the coca flyover. By the other side, going towards Summit side, they have also started pouring concrete around that place. In fact, they have almost gotten to the to that Summit junction where you have the leg over around that place. That is where they currently are, but at by the middle of it, I think they are yet to complete some section of it before that the summit junction. So they have already crossed over, they are doing that section going towards that summit. And over here, the last video or last update I gave you guys, I told you guys that they have already gotten to that Zine axis. That is where they currently are, and they have also poured another stone on top of the one they poured before, so to continue the the concrete whatever they are doing around there. So they have resumed work for this year. Work has fully resumed here. So that is why, if you noticed, the motor that I enter right now is currently running one way, because before what they do is that they opened around that is in a axis. All the motor is running one way, going towards Onitsha. We have to divert once they get to Ezine, but right now they have blocked that Ezine axis too, because work has commenced. So they have blocked it, and it's because they have also gotten to that particular sections. That is why they blocked it. So motorists are now running down towards the MTN, in front of the MTN, before they take the normal divert, because there is already existing divert there. The old people that construct this road, the one they did there is still there. So that is where they are doing those running one way now, heading towards Onitsha, are doing their diverts right now. So that of Ezine has been blocked. In case you have not run this through road recently, this work I think started, if I'm not mistaken, maybe yesterday. That's when they started they resumed this particular work. So this is the looks of everything. I could not come down from the vehicle to get all the angles you guys might love to see, but we'll still go back there to make more updates. The road is still under construction. It's not every time that we're giving you update, because the last time we give you the update, we have already told you about where they are. So there's no new development actually for now, except that they have resumed work. So very soon they will extend the pouring of concrete from where they stopped down at Izini down to that in front of MTN. Then maybe once they get there, they will also have to block there, then maybe go down towards that of Sasmes to open another bypass. So as you can see, this is the current situation we are having here. So the hold up is has started again. So right now we are just temporarily stuck in a traffic. So, and all these passengers vehicle, they don't used to exercise patience. Once there is any little traffic, all of them will start taking divert to go and cause another heavy traffic. So yes, so this is just what is happening around here. So you're gonna experience a little traffic once you get to this is an A axis, because there is an A axis is very busy area. So From here we head to Jamwork, where we finally call it a day for this particular video. It's not a long form, it's not a long video, it's just a 5 minutes clip. So guys, kindly subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video, click on the notification button to get notified anytime we publish any latest update for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe guys, support us. Let's get to 6k sub by the end of this January. Thank you. You have a wonderful day. Till we meet again in our next update. Bye.